warm welcome back in our iOrnament drawing tutorials. In this one and in the next tutorial, we will speak about advanced brush settings, those that allow you to draw, for instance, those dotted points here and those kind of random patterns of points that you see here. And the secret for that lies in our second icon of the menu bar, which opens the brush settings. And you see you have the choice between 3 different types of brushes here, and the first one is the ordinary pen, the second one is a brush, and the third one is a calligraphy pen. Actually, we will spend an entire tutorial on the calligraphy pen, and today we will talk about this ordinary pen, as I usually call it. So if you look here, you have 4 sliders in that menu. The first 2 you already know them. The first 2, let me reset those 2 here. They are just the pen widths that you can change and the blurriness of your pen. But the other 2 are really interesting for us. And if you look at this slider here, you see it turns your stroke in a sequence of dotted points, and the last slider here in addition scatters those points randomly. Today we will focus on this slider, and next time we will talk about this one as well and combine those 2 sliders. So let me switch to a different symmetry type so that we're not getting too boring here, and take color with the dynamic color menu here. And I do that because the dynamic color menu very nicely goes together with those scattered points. And so let me just draw a few strokes. So you, one thing you can get is kind of psychedelic patterns like this. But as soon as you use a finer stroke here, let's take even a different color, then what you get looks like this here. And so you get this nice sequence of dots, each of them having its individual color, and I hope you see the potential that lies in this setting. Another important point is that these dots nicely go together with the gold pen. I've chosen this sequence of dots, and look what happens if I turn on the blurriness. Look at the stroke preview. You see you get nicely embossed dots, and let me just, with the same symmetry pattern, show you how that looks like. So you really see you get this kind of string of pearls that goes through your drawing, and you may just combine that with a solid pen. So by again moving that back to the other end, and just with one additional stroke create such a kind of nice symmetric pattern. I think that's enough for today. So keep on doodling. Next time we will work with this scattering here, and I think in the final sequence here I will give you a little preview of what we will do next time. So you see, please get this nice kind of random dots. So hope I see you in